Day 2. Today was the first day of walking. We woke up to heavy rain, which put a delay to the start of our hike. We decided to have some breakfast with an awesome view about 5 meters from the beach. The rain had still not subsided after our breakfast, but a little rain was not going to stop us from starting, so we packed up everything and set off. Day 2 consisted of some very wet conditions, so I wore a black bag over my backpack to protect all my camera gear. We had 18 kilometers to get through to get to our next destination. As it's raining and we are lost. I'm speaking to my audience. We are 20 minutes in and we lost. We have found humans. There's our tour guide. They were behind us. We were following them, you know, unless they took a different route. We found humans. We are saved. We quickly came to realize how untouched these landscapes were, walking along the coast with not even a footpath to follow, nor people around anywhere. Just a few random cows and goats every now and again. It was filled with long flat landscapes to start off the hike, but I was told to watch as the landscape changes during the course of the hike, as we started walking towards the mountainous regions of the coast. We're nearly at our destination. As you can see from around me,
There's absolutely nothing. It's like we're in the middle of nowhere. It's been quite a long day of on and off rain and hiding from the rain, but we're nearly there at our campsite for the day. Nuts. So yeah, you shall see it. Maybe there'll be something adventurous there, hopefully.